Connect Show. Power Connect. Power Connect Show. Your reliable program that gives you all the information you need to know about the power sector, professionals in industry, electrical products, government agencies, the stakeholders, and many more. Power Connect Show.
I do not have any doubt in my mind that it's actually been a power-packed week. It's been an electrifying week, and so it's time again to have another to continue in that mood, to have another electrifying session, electrifying moment, time to plug in to the power world, time to connect to the power world via your program, your ever-engaging program, your ever-educative program, the Power Connect Show, coming to you on no other station. You know where it comes from, Niger FM 102.7. And of course, like I've always said, you do not have to doubt the voice, the name behind the voice. It's simply that of Ademola Ben Cranston Adegoke. Oh, it's going to be another power-packed session today on the Power Connect Show. My name again, like I've said, Ademola Ben Cranston Adegoke, and together we will roll into the program, the Power Connect Show. Go nowhere. Do you have questions? Do you have issues? Do you have complaints? All electricity-related issues. Just don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. It's time for the Power Connect Show. And of course, you know that we don't waste time on this program. What we do is to get cracking immediately. We start the program. And I want to get cracking with the news and tidbits for the day. And the first one I have here says, local manufacturers installed 3.4 million meters in 4 years. That is what the Association of Meter Manufacturers of Nigeria is saying. And the Association of Meter Manufacturers of Nigeria, AMON, has said that local meter manufacturers have installed 3.4 million meters and 850,000 National Mass Metering Program NMMP meters between 2020 and 2024. Engineer Duroshola Omogbenigun, President of AMON, disclosed this in a statement on Monday. Speaking further, Engineer Omogbenigun said the contribution made by local meter manufacturers, especially from 2021 to 2024, was achieved at the cost of 353.7 billion naira at today's price for single and three-phase meters, and excluding CBN-funded National Mass Metering Program, National Mass Metering Project, and then the 850,000 meters. This amount was financed by the local Meters Manufacturer Association and meter access providers locally. The statement further highlighted that there are 42 local meter manufacturers in Nigeria with a combined installed capacity of 6 million meters per annum, employing 10,000 workers directly and 30,000 indirectly. Oh, that is what AMON is saying, and I think this is in the spirit of doing it ourselves, not necessarily going abroad to import things that we can do here. So we believe that as the local meter manufacturers do more of this, it will be a big value addition to the electricity industry. And the second story here says, FG's electricity debt rises to 800 billion. Senate. The chairman of the Senate Committee on Power, Senator Eyinaya Abaribe, has expressed concern over persistent liquidity crisis in the power sector. Speaking at a retreat organized by the Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission, NEC, to profile solutions to critical challenges in the power sector, Senator Abaribe attributed the cause of the liquidity crisis to tariff shortfall. According to him, this year alone, the indebtedness of the federal government alone has risen to 800 billion naira, in addition to about 3 trillion naira being previously owed. The generating companies are owed so much, the distribution companies are also owed so much, the senator stated. Senator Abaribe, however, expressed hope that solution will be found to the crisis so soon. Oh, we just hope that solution will be found to the crisis so soon. So those were the news and the tidbit stories for the day. We will go right into the program, but after this short break.
Our esteemed customers, we implore you to avoid tampering with electrical installations around you. Tampering can lead to damage of your appliances and our equipment, electrical fires, electric shock, electrocution, and even death. Please do not engage unlicensed electricians and technicians. If you see an unauthorized or unidentifiable personnel around our equipment, please report to us via our customer service lines on 0708 067 1170 or 0700 123 5666. Or visit our nearest office. We value the safety of lives and properties. This is a public service announcement from Eco Electricity Distribution Company.
You are welcome back. It's the Power Connect show coming to you on Niger FM 102.7 and on the sponsorship of your darling utility power provider, power utility company, Eco Electricity Distribution Company. They are the sponsors. And so today we are rolling into the program right away, like I said. But let me just say this. Who wants to buy something without knowing the quantity of what he wants to buy? Who wants to buy anything without knowing the true measurement of what he wants to buy? And so we'll be talking about something very, very important to the electricity sector, something, and both to the suppliers and the customer today. We are talking about meters. We'll be talking about meters. Meters are so important in the industry because it is with that the customer knows what he has consumed. Like I've said, who wants to buy anything without knowing the quantity of what he has bought, and he knows the price he's going to pay for it? And that is the importance of meters in the sector, in the electricity sector. So today I have someone who is going to walk us through the program today, and we'll be talking about meter installation and programming. All you need to know about meter installation and programming. I have in the studio, he's a friend of the program. He's been here 2-3 times before, so it's not new. I'm talking of engineer Gbadebo Akinyede. Is the head metering of Eco Electricity Distribution Company. Engineer, you are welcome once again.
Thank you very much.
Nice having you. Having you around.
Pleasure,
once again.
Thank you very much.
So let's get moving right away. We, like I said, meters are so important. Meters are so important.
Absolutely.
In the sector. What makes them? What can you say one or two things about the importance of meters?
So like I always say, even when I go for town hall meetings within this school, which is Eco Electricity Distribution Company, there's no meeting, or there's no even during our regulators meeting or any management meetings we have, that we don't talk about metering. Because metering is the backbone of the electricity industry. Metering is what gives even our customers the confidence that I'm paying for what I consume. Nobody wants estimated billing.
No.
Or we want to ensure that the quantum of energy you consume is what you are paying for. But once it comes to estimated billing, nobody feels comfortable. But once you know you have a meter installed, even if you travel for 1 month, 2 months, you are comfortable that no bill is going to come. That whatever you've consumed, either your security lights or your what's it called, or your general light or whatever, is what is going to read on the meter. So metering gives every customer that confidence and that closure that I'm only paying for what I consume. So it's very important. That's why metering is very important in this sector.
Important.
Yeah, it's the backbone. Metering is also a security because it's what generates my revenue. It's not just meters. It's security for me because it's the only thing that will show me that my energy that I'm giving you is being paid for accordingly. So that's why we also frown against meter bypass, meter tampering. It's not just enough that I give you this security instrument, which is my meter, which is what tells you what I've given you as my energy. You're paying for it. It's also helped me to improve to reduce my ATC and C losses, which is my aggregate technical, collection and commercial losses. So metering is very, very important to every disco, not just to Eco Disco alone. Thank you.
Okay. Now I want to ask. Our topic is about installation and programming. What about installation? What about programming? Let me ask this question: is it anybody that can install meters, or is it anybody that can program meters?
Okay, yeah. So for installation, so even for metering, for installation, it starts from application for the meters. You go to our web portal where you apply for these meters. So from the web portal, you apply for those meters. We validate. That's how it starts. We validate what the type of customer you are. Do you require a single phase meter, or you require a 3-phase meter? And also, we also need to validate your documentation to ensure that we are doing your know your customer KYC. So from that point, when customers apply for meters now, they're actually entitled to actually pick a vendor. Now we call them meter asset providers. They're a third-party installation companies, meter asset providers. We call them meter asset providers, MAP.
Yeah.
So once you choose this MAP, we validate and you make payments for these meters. And at the end of the day, these map asset providers, MAP, they install the meters. And after installation, the next thing is we program these meters based on the information you've given us on your KYC.
But I'm asking,
all right,
who is qualified to install meters? Is it just any electrician, or who is qualified to program the meters?
So for the regulators, which is the Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission, for all the installers, there's a certificate they have. So even if for the fact that you're a meter asset provider, they also engage the services of qualified installers, which they've been licensed by NEC. So they've been licensed by NEC. So every installer that is installing or the parent company, they have a certificate from the regulators to ensure that these people have been they've been licensed to be installers by the regulators. So anybody installing within a franchise, they are also regulated as they've been licensed by.
They've been licensed.
Absolutely.
So, in other words, for anybody to install meters, he has to be licensed.
Absolutely. Yes.
Okay. So, the program is the Power Connect Show, coming to you from Niger FM 102.7. Then we will continue with the conversation after this short break.
Dear Ogbonge Eco Disco customer, abeg make you go our website www.ekedp.com/sts and enter your current meter number to check whether your meter qualify to upgrade to the STS2 version. If your meter qualify, we go holla you back. But if you not qualify, you fit apply for new meter and the EKEDC go return the meter money to you over time. If you experience any wahala, abeg make you contact our customer experience team through the email or phone wey we provide. This na public service announcement from EKEDC. EKEDC. Now we dey empower the quality of life.
You are welcome back. It's still our program, the Power Connect Show. And before we went on break, Engineer Akinyede was explaining to us the people who are qualified to install meters, and we got from him that not everybody is qualified to install meters. But we have another person joining the conversation right now. He just is right in the studio. It's your friend. He's been here. He's been engaging us for the past 2-3 weeks. I'm talking of the ones you know as Mr. Tony Oneya. He's been talking to us. On the new upgrade in the system. So, Mr. Tony Oneya, you are welcome. You are welcome.
Thank you. It's good to be back again. Niger FM, now we radio. Thank you for having me.
Okay, so let's start. Let's start with you as you are joining the conversation. The customer we want to know. Now we know who can install, and it's been said that only people who have been well trained can install. Who can program? Is it the customer that can the customer do the programming himself, or you also need to receive a special training for programming?
Okay, so like the head of metering said, we based on the KYC documentations and everything you've provided, the meters are programmed by us in ECO.
Okay.
Based on that KYC you've did. So we're talking of NIN, we're talking of address, we're talking of basic identification, you know, for us to be able to assign and link your meter to you. Now, note that you remember we spoke about feeders and locations. You remember I said we talk about feeder and location. You remember?
Yes. We talk them.
So based on all those things, that is what we use to program your meter. You know, so that we go fit clarify your band. You know, the transformer where you there under and everything.
Okay.
You know, so now so.
So not be say as a customer I fit program my meter myself.
No. Customer no fit program him meter by himself.
Okay. Well, we will soon be asking our listeners to join the conversation, and the number you can use to contribute, to make your contribution on the program is 08100130349. Once again, 08100130349. So, Engineer Akede, I want to ask, you get some do's and don'ts wey person no fit do for meter when they install your meter. Wetin you get some things wey you no suppose do, or so that your meter good, or some things wey you suppose do make your meter last.
Okay, so like I don't talk before, meter na security for EcoDisco. So we expect say make customer no try tamper with our meter, because if you try tamper with our meter, with the penalty day. Because like I talk say, meter na say make you fit count the energy wey you don't consume, wey customer don't chop. So if you want now try to bypass our meter, and we catch you na penalty. And make I also hear and say this meter wey we dey talk about, this meter gets na smart meter, meaning say this meter from the back end. You know, say this world everything na AI, everything na smartness and everything. From the back end, we go feel no customer will be say we give you meter, you know buy unit. So it's easy for us, or customer we drive bypass, or customer we know say averagely say you they stay Surulere. Averagely everybody will get meter around you for Surulere, then they buy 150,000 naira per month. You come to say they just buy 2,000 naira per month. There are so many things we say we they do for back end, because like I talk, it's not just be say we could just put meter for pole or for wall. Make customers they use. Our customers too, they're sharp, no be small. So we too they always ensure say we they monitor our meter. We just put meter, we just forget her for
so this
wall.
This thing where you talk.
Yeah.
Now be say as cost, it can't remind me of something. You know, where this late writer talking for him book. He say Eneke the bird. He say since men don't learn how to shoot without missing, it too don't learn how to fly without perching. So as customers they sharp, Eco 2 they over sharp.
We are 10 steps ahead. 10 steps ahead of them.
So you they hear now. If you think say I feel do mago for you know it no go work. A code this code they monitor, then get a machine where they monitor how you they do for your meter. It be like say okay. So once again, if you want to join the conversation, the number to call into is 08100130349. Before I ask the next question, some people we don't have. We have someone on. We have someone online. Okay, hello. Hello, we can hear you.
Yes, I want to ask a question, sir.
Okay. What is the question? But you didn't tell us your name or where you are calling from.
I'm speaking from
Okay, what is the name?
My name is Mr. Abdullah.
Okay, Abdullah. Okay, what's your question is, can some...
So, as they are calling the meter, the NEPA people now pass, the license does not have the right to climb the phone.
Can we get your? Can we get? Did you get? Okay. You don't get. Okay. Answer
so you know we get two types of installations for EcoDisco. We fit put meter for pole. We also fit put meter for wall. So in such cases, we get what they call standard operating procedure. Where we say we allow make our installers climb pole, put meter for pole. But now when they put this meter for pole, Now for the 415 pole. That no be say no. They put this meter for high tension pole. Now two type of pole dey. High tension pole and low tension. Now the low tension pole they fit climb, make them put meter on top am. So if they allow make this certified installer put meter for low tension pole or the nearest pole which they closer to the customer. Thank you.
Okay, so now, Mr. Oneya, I want to ask: are there things that, apart from maybe bypassing, wanting to play smart, are there other things maybe people will do out of ignorance that will not make their meter last? What are those things?
Like HM talk, people they smart. We they see smart people.
It be like say,
more take the call.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Evening.
My name is Okun, calling from Obalende.
Okay, Mr. Okun, our dear friend.
Yes. Please, last year, November, December, a new meter was installed for me.
Okay.
And I was told that I will recoup the money I paid with which I pay for the meter by them giving me token. Okay, whenever I buy, maybe it will be. But up till now, it has not been done. When will I build this token? Extra token, they said they will begin to happen.
Okay, Mr. Okon,
so that
quickly before
the 200,000 plus with which I pay for
Mr. Okon, quickly, because I know that we addressed this issue before, and it was said that those meters, yes, you will get your money, but after some time, after maybe the end of the week.
So the way, Mr. Okon, thanks for your call. So the way you go get that meter, you get that token, I say after your first vein, meaning say after the first time when you go buy energy. Over month basis, you go to get extra token. So as you dey buy, just watch your token very well. And you go see say extra day. So as you dey buy the energy token, wey be from Ecodisco, we go put Jara there for you. That Jara na the value of the refund wey we dey give you. Over a period of 10 years. Over a period of 10 years.
Yes.
Yeah, over that's 120 months. That na wetin regulator talk. No be we talk am.
Okay. You the answer question, but call the call.
I know, now the call make
Hello.
It's still me, Mr. Okon.
Okay.
The line went off. Now,
Okay.
but for how long will it take? How long will it? Anytime I buy, I look to ensure that there's something extra. There's nothing extra. When will this thing really begin? Must it take 10 years?
You know, say now regulator talk am, no be we. We are highly
Thank you.
regulated. Regulator talk say the period of refund, even when they monitor us on a monthly basis, we they give submission to them. Say over a period of 10 years, make we the refund in bits. You know, say the reason I say our metering density don't increase. And also for make I not go into finance for purpose of liquidity. Make no be saying now all the money we make for 1 month we go take and refund customer. That's why regulator talk say.
What's in the talk now?
He never
the same at all.
It's supposed to chop am now. Make we make sure say as long as he pay for the meter, make I get the meter number. If you drop your meter number to customer care, we go feel help you. We go feel help you check why you never begin to receive them.
Okay. Because time is never our friend on the program. Someone has sent in a question, and the question it says we have a postpaid meter in our compound of 8 houses. Can we change this to prepaid meter for each house? There are 8 houses in the compound according to him, and they are using just 1 meter. Now he wants to know whether each of the houses can get a separate meters.
Okay, so for that question,
Tunde from Agugi.
Say as some customers there, then get customers with they call key customer group based on their demand for electricity. Remember last time we talked about the different customer group. Now, if they get transformer, for instance, and they don't give them one single meter, way na postpaid, like you say. Most of these customers then get wetin they call check meters, where they suppose they take the check their consumption.
Okay.
Some of them go argue say the value where then they give them for their bill is too high.
Okay.
So then go one bring take individual meters. But
Okay.
from the onset,
Now
one meter now they don't give those place.
Okay.
You know, because maybe na
Na
hotel
mini estate.
or mini estate as
Mini
it be.
estate.
You know, so now so it difficult. Make I no give you life. I go just say make them they check their consumption.
Make them
they check their consumption.
Okay. And if waiting they don't explain, no apply to you where
Hello, ma.
make you still get in touch with
Okay.
us. Okay.
Now
Hello.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. My complaint about my meter, I'm at Mushin here.
Okay.
My name is Hakim Tonodi.
Okay, Akim. Welcome.
I got a prepaid meter. They come and fix it for me by December. The card finished on January. Since then, to buy the card is very, very difficult for me. And they said the meter is not the program.
Okay,
Since I've been going. Up
Okay,
and
Mr.
down.
Hakim.
Since
Mr.
that
Hakim.
January.
Mr. Hakim,
Yeah.
thank you for your destiny. Like I dey always talk here. Mr. Hakim, you feel leave us with your meter number so that we go
Yes.
check am for you. Because this thing now, wait till you go waka go customer care, then go look am. So call your meter number.
Okay.
My meter number. I'm
Call am.
coming, sir. Let me.
I'll make it text.
Can I send you through message?
Yeah, send am through message. This our number wey dey here.
Send am through the message.
Yes,
just send
we'll
it.
take am,
Okay.
Mr. Hakim, we go handle am for you.
Time they run, they go.
When
And I ask,
sweet, that's what they be.
Na so e dey be.
and I ask this question. I want to apply for meter. Wait I suppose know so that I know that someone no go exploit me. You know, upon say I want to apply for meter.
Okay, to apply for meter, like I talk, I don't talk. I'm small when I begin. You know, say we get 3 types of application. Customer where they migrate, meaning say you collect estimated billing. You want apply.
You want apply. You want move.
Customer where they replace faulty meter.
Okay.
And customer will be say you be virgin, you be new customer. We be say you never even use our supply at all before. Once you go to our web portal, now for you make you register. From registering, from there, it is user friendly. Once you register, whether with for customer we say you want migrate. Once you put in your account number, it go give you one time one OTP, one time password. You go take that one register. If it be new service as well, you go new service, you go apply, you go generate new one time password. From there, once you get it with your email address and every information, then how they call them know your customer KYC. So once you have that, you just log in. From logging in, you go fill everything. It's self-explanatory.
Okay.
It's easy to fill.
So DIY, do it yourself.
You can do it yourself.
Okay.
You can do it yourself. If anybody get any issue, they feel confirm from or they feel confirm for customer care.
No need for anybody to say make I come pay registration fee.
You feel fill them yourself, but you know say for Nigeria we like make everything dey easy. If you fill embassy letter, embassy visa from ourselves, we just like make people help us fill them. That's so it be.
Maybe this will be the last question because time don't go. Do they explain, the things where people not supposed to do they do so that their meter go last?
Okay, so you see the meter na smart meter. You get people where they attempt to tamper with the meter. The moment you try either connect wire or adjust wire, that meter go lock. You don't go fit get light. Like Mr. Gbadebo say, e go lock, you no go get light until you come back to us. And sometimes when you come back to us, we go send people go investigate why your meter lock.
They go come see am.
We go come check.
Yawa go gas.
So anything fit happen. And you go try as much as possible not to put some kind magnetic electrical appliances around your meter. Because that thing fits spoil the meter.
Okay, anything
like
where they
microwave
magnet,
or all those
okay,
things.
close to
so
your
that's
meter.
why we know they leave meter inside house. We they carry and go outside.
Okay.
Yes.
And time no day. I won't ask question about overloading, but maybe we maybe I don't know. Maybe we will
and
try
now,
again
now
next
your
week.
backyard here with this, so they call us call.
Okay. So we want to say a very big thank you to our guests on the program today, Mr. Gbadebo Akinyede and Mr. Tony Oneya. we want to say a very big thank you. You've actually thrown so much insight into the program today. And we want to say a very big thank you to all our listeners, callers on the program, and of course, even our producer, Sam. We want to say a very big thank you to everyone. That has been the program for today. I wish you all a power-packed week, and I see you next week. My name is Ademola
www.ekdp.com/STS and impute your current meter number to check the eligibility status of your meter to upgrade to the STS2 version. If your meter is eligible, we will get back to you, but if it is not eligible, you will have to apply for a new meter, and note that EKDC will reimburse you for the meter over time. If you experience any issues, kindly contact our customer experience team via the email or phone number provided. This is a public service announcement from Eco Electricity.